Welcome to LBank's Guide to Futures Trading on App. Let's dive in. Open the LBank app, log in, and tap the futures. Check the box to agree to the LBK contract service agreement, then tap Confirm to start trading. Tap the plus button, choose Deposit or Transfer, enter the amount, and confirm to fund your futures account. Search for your target trading pair. Select margin mode, cross or isolated. Choose leverage. Pick order type, set price and quantity, and place your order. In the Positions tab, tap Close All or Close Position to close your trades. In Positions, tap Stop Loss, Take Profit, set trigger price and amount, and confirm. In Positions, tap One-Click Reverse, input quantity or adjust position ratio, and confirm. Register at lbank.com and fund your account to start trading. Visit our support center for help.